Hey everybody, how you doing out there? So I wanted to do this video. It's just going to be a quick video, but I was at March Moto Madness and I know they're going to be coming out with this, but it's called Mosko's coming out with the Arroyo color. Beautiful pieces from Mosko Moto. And if you weren't at March Moto Madness and you haven't seen it yet, here's just a snapshot. Wade from Mosko Moto is going to walk you through, kind of just talk about the new color scheme, and there were some pieces that we had at March Moto Madness, and I just thought I would share it with you. Again, I'm just a big fan of Mosko and think they make some great stuff. So this is going to be the new color. Looking forward to it. I'm sure you are too. A little bit different. I've tried all the different colors. I've got, oh my gosh, I think I got everything that there was. But at the end of the day, this looks like a pretty another solid color from Mosko Moto, and I think it's going to be pretty, probably going to sell out real quick. So anyway, here it is. Enjoy Arroyo color. I think I got that right. But Mosko Moto, we'll see you soon. Bye. Let's talk about your new stuff here.
Yeah. So this is our new Arroyo colorway.
Whoa.
We did our High Desert, was a 10-year anniversary color. It was really popular. We've gotten a lot of requests for that color to come back, but we don't really like just kind of doing the same thing every time. So we decided that, hey, if we're going to bring this color back, let's make it new, let's make it fresh, let's make it interesting, and let's make it distinct. Perfect. Instead of just redoing the same thing. So
that's awesome.
We lined it up. It's a lighter tan color. We're pretty stoked with the way it came out. This is our photo sample set that we brought out here to March Moto Madness to kind of show everybody. So we will hopefully have this in stock here in the next month or two. And we're going to have this in the backcountry panniers, backcountry duffels, and the major Reckless system. So
beautiful. So folks, you guys know me. This is usually on my gear all the time. You can't go wrong. Mosko for the win.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
20 years, March Moto Madness, big supporters. We appreciate it.
Thanks, man.
Thank you. See you guys later.
See you, bro.
All right, have a good one.